There's a little Mitzi puppy. Likes to be held like a baby and swing her head back. You are one funny little girl. Yes, you are. Funny girl. And there's Eva, and Milo, and Jack, and Champezi. And there's Mocha. You're sitting so nice and patiently, waiting for me, waiting for your turn. Now you're not. Coco, we love you guys. Yes, you too. You know we love you. Yes, you do. There's our little Mitzi girl. Hello, Mitzi. You like laying like a baby, huh? You like everyone to hold you like a little baby? Yes, you're so cute. Yes, you are, girl. Hi, Eva. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're a big jumping dog. Rufus, you got some slabs, baby. You just got here not that long ago, huh? There's our Zozo and Cooper. Hi, Cooper. You got a big underbite, huh, Coops? You're so cute. Yes, I see you. There's our Riley. Hi, buddy. Hi, Riley. Hi, Riley. Oh, and Cash, too. Hi, Riley. Hi, Cashy. Hi, buddy. There's Wendy. Wendy. Oh, thank you for the kisses. And Milo. And Chewy. Choo-choo. And there's Kino. Hi, Kino. And Eva. Eva likes to be held a lot too, huh? And there's Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Hi, guys. Oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. What, Charlie? What, Charlie? Marley. Hi, Mar. How's it, Marley? There's Frankie. Our Frankie girl. Sweet baby. Oh my goodness. We're getting crowded by puppies, aren't we? Hi, Milo. There's Tommy. I see you under there, Luz. Marley, is that your chair? There's Bailey. Hi, Bay. Hi, baby boy. And Ollie. And Eva. Hi, you guys. Yes, you're so cute. Yes, you're so cute. And Wendy. And Ty. And Rufus. There's our new puppy, Thunder, just a baby. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah, you're so cute. Hi, Milo. You're so cute too, aren't you? Have you been playing with Thunder sometimes? Yeah, you've been playing with Thunder too? Hi, Thunder. Choo-choo! Hi, Chewy! Hi, Chewy. You're silly. You silly little boy. Hi, Cash. And Riley. Hi, Milo. Hi, Milo. You're a cute guy, aren't you? Just a cute guy. Choo-choo, I see you. I see you under there, Chewy. Are you going to come over? Hi, Chewy. Yeah, you're cute, huh? You're a cute dog. Coco, you're cute too. Hi, Zozo. Thunder. Thunder. Thunder and lightning. We need Lightning here. We have a dog named Lightning too. Riley. Let's go say hi to Mitzi girl. Hi, Mitz. Hi, you little sweetie. Hi, girl. Yo, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. And then Milo. All right, puppies. Okay, we'll see you guys next time. We'll see you next time.